In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google to find clear instructions for showing followers on your Facebook profile. We're going to walk through this in a simple, relaxed way, so you can confidently follow along, even if you're not very tech-savvy. The idea here isn't to change any settings just yet, but to use Google effectively to get to the exact guide you need. First, open your web browser of choice. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you normally use on your computer or phone. Once it's open, go to the Google homepage by typing google.com into the address bar at the top, then pressing Enter. Now that you're on Google, we're going to search for a very specific phrase that leads to helpful instructions. Click on the search box in the middle of the page. Type in, "How to show followers on Facebook profile." Facebook follower options. Make sure you type it as one continuous search, including the dash before the words Facebook follower options. That dash tells Google to exclude certain results that might not be relevant, helping you narrow down what you see. After you've typed the full phrase, press Enter or tap the search icon. In just a moment, Google will show you a list of search results. These are web pages that explain how to display followers on your Facebook profile, along with different options related to followers. Take a look at the top few results that appear. Often, you'll see a mix of help articles, how-to guides, and sometimes videos. You'll want to look for results from trusted sources, such as Facebook's own Help Center, well-known tech websites, or reputable tutorial sites. The title of each result will usually mention showing followers, follower settings, or profile visibility. Click on the result that looks the most reliable and straightforward. When the page opens, you can follow the step-by-step instructions there to adjust your follower settings on Facebook. If the first result you open doesn't quite match what you're looking for, simply go back to the Google results page and try another one. That's all there is to this step. Using a targeted Google search to quickly find up-to-date, detailed instructions on how to show followers on your Facebook profile, using the phrase, "How to show followers on Facebook profile." Facebook follower options as your guide.